You know what time it is, right? Just I come from Foxy Brown show. BB Kings in a Manhattan. And me for tell you how Foxy just fuck up the whole place. And you know from she invite the queen and call me and pass stage a problem.
Oh.
Tell them, sonny.
Yeah, Mother Road. Place fuck up. Queen fuck up everything.
Everything get shell way. And me for tell you. Yeah. Problem. See there, Manhattan over there, just a go home.
You see them shows?
Nice and clean.
Yeah.
I want the blood clot them fools.
Who the fuck told bitches they could do what I do? And all of a sudden all y'all bitches got accents too. But yeah, bitches can't do the shit that I do. Sometimes I gotta forget cool. Oh, I tell a motherfucker this. Some niggas nowadays move worse than a bitch. And as for this chick, me love bum flick on Batman dick. So, got the pussy, got the live phone. I'm a grown ass bitch with my own ass shit. Now hear this, and I want chat where I got boss in a secret. Y'all big bottom man, you love look man bottom. Pussy watch man, you a trace girl pattern. Fuck who, niggas wish they could fuck me. Like they never seen a hot girl act like we. Big bomber clad star, push hot car. Big old, me love back way all day. The way my man fuck, can't even stand up. And when he gets stiff, it come like 10 dicks. Take it through my hole, right through my appendix. I got a message, want y'all motherfuckers sitting this.
From a post hole, this man was shot down.